got no regen now. Well. Hello. Excuse us. I don't know. It is. Why not? Pull it out. It's probably out of gas.
Yeah, I think it's out of gas, yeah.
There we go. First ride since the appendix surgery. Now knee knockers, that may hurt. Let's see. Oh, yeah, see that don't feel right. Ooh. I got no regen now, so now I just coast. It makes my wheelies coast as well. Up the lane for me. Tires are so grippy from being so warm. This is nice. Here we go. Oh. 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 Hello. Excuse us. Fucking weirdo. Just stands there with a cig. We're out of there. Right when I hit record on the camera. I don't know. No. I was like, alright, excuse me. Watch out. Damn. That's a bike.
It's sick. Feeling good?
Tingles. I think it's a good thing though. I think it's like, I feel like I should be doing that. Yeah, it's been too long. Oh God, you better slow down. Yeah. Did you almost slide out stopping back there? No.
I slowed down so I didn't.
Yeah. What? You didn't hit it? Why not? Damn, this bike is so sick. Skirt.
You dusted me.
Am I? Oh.
Those little skids.
You better hope a deer doesn't pop out in front of him. I am just coasting. Straight, too. Get up to the same speed as me and then let go of your throttle. Because this one's, I turned the regen off. That one still has regen on and I want to see if it worked. Now let off. Whoa. Yeah, it definitely works. Because I'm still coasting and he's way back. Oh. Alright, now try this one. Oh yeah. That has my phone though.
Yeah, that one has my phone too.
Uh,
accidentally honked. I didn't even mean to. I put my finger back on it.
yeah.
So bad. You see how much?
Let's use this thing. Hell yeah. Bullshit. It maxed out at 35. It said 35. There's no way.
Yeah, I know. I was going like 50.
Do it with that one. Maybe that's like the max. Do it again. Yeah, there's no way. Pull it out. Look at the car too. Oof. Sheesh. Oh, it popped up. I got it to pop up. It's probably out of gas.
Yeah, I think it's out of gas, yeah.
Check it real quick.
Bone dry.
Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Got the Scooby-Doo van. Dang, can I get some ice cream? Look guys, big debut, we're on stage. Wheelie on stage, ready? Here we go. Woo! We're busting wheelies on stage. Woo! Alright, let's get a wheelie across the stage. Big debut. Big debut. Big debut wheelie. Now you gotta learn 360 burnouts. Really lean on your leg and then just let the bike spin. This one works way better though. Lean more. Lean even more down.
I'm gonna lose it.
Oh yeah.
Woo! God damn!
Oh yeah. Well, I think it needs a wash. Oh, it's windy. Fuck! Ow, my hands are starting to hurt. Wow, this air quality is horrible. Look at that. It is just haze of smoke. All from the Canada fires. Here, like, too. $48, $49. Really? Let's run that back. $50. $50 all day too. Didn't even slow down. Front brake's way better than the rear brake. Dollar bill, y'all. Real. Dude, that's so reliable. If that was a belt, I probably would have just snapped the belt doing that. I'm like bouncing up and then landing in manual, so stretching the whole chain out. Alright, I made it to the pit bike track. Someone's got some tires out here. Someone made an official fire pit here now. Very nice to see. That is a legit fire pit now. Let's get a spotting lap going, make sure there's no down trees. Try and not get sand all in the chain just yet. Oh, the moisture in the dirt is perfect right now. Looks like he's doing some work to this. But it looks dialed in pretty good right now. The rain ruts haven't came in yet. Ooh, that one's looking rough. Ooh, definitely don't. Oh man, someone ate it. Oh, someone ate it bad, I can tell. Fell right over. It's kind of good. Might be able to clear that. Oh my god, over clearing it. Moisture in the dirt is amazing. Perfect. Actually perfect. Woo! Okay. Whew. Not enough speed. I wish. I do pretty good though for running mostly my own business, doing everything. Wow, that was a huge jump. That was probably the biggest air I've ever gotten on this bike. Wow, it feels good. Oh, I almost cased it. Ah, that was scary. My knees are straight jello right now. Can't even stand on them. It's so wobbly. Damn, that jump feels good. There we go. I hate how hard that is now. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. Alright, looks like Weed Whacker's coming out. Woo! We need a weed whack on the seat. Damn, that was full throttle. That was pretty good. Didn't even have to use my brake. Look at that. I just coast now. That feels so good. Feels so good over here. Oh my god. Here we go. Wheelie across the whole bridge. Let's get a knee knocker going across the whole bridge. That'd be tight. Damn, it's slippery. That was fun. Package going out. Peace out, package. Made some money. $50 sale right there. Let's get a wheelie to knee knocker on the bridge. Here we go. Yes. Woo! God, that's so fun. Having no regen is awesome. Look at this. Just coast. Damn, that's fun. Woo!